The thing about life is that you have to put forth the effort. And leadership comes from the inside. Can I just really be honest with y'all? I really had to go through a lot to develop myself to get to this position. This wasn't an easy thing. Especially when you're coming from two strokes. That's not the easiest thing. Especially when you have challenges in your brain and you can't remember certain things. It's not the easiest thing. You understand what I'm saying? But everybody here has the capability of doing something more. But it comes from the inside, guys. Everything is intrinsic. Everything is intrinsic. I was reading Stephen Covey's Primary Greatness. He taught the primary greatness comes from the inside. That's your mannerism. That's your attitude. That's how you conduct yourself. Those are things that you're cultivating. But when we get on that Monopoly board, we're looking for $200 every time we go around go. But that $200 is a result of what? Step by step. So even then, the money still comes as a result of something. Unless you got a banker who is a crooked banker trying to take money up out the thing, right? What happens if you take money out the bank?
You eventually get caught.
Huh?
You eventually get caught.
You eventually get caught. So then therefore within the cycle of life, there's no shortcuts, y'all. There's no shortcuts. None at all.